In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Lovable AI for beginners, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start a project, personalize it, and manage everything in one place. First, open your browser and go to lovable.dev. Sign into your account and you'll land on the home dashboard. Front and center, you'll see the prompt that says, "What's on your mind?" That's your main input box, and it's where you tell Lovable what you want to build. On the left, the sidebar gives you quick access to home, projects, templates, and resources. If you scroll to the bottom of the home screen, you'll also see a templates section with pre-built ideas that can help you get started faster. To begin a new project, click into the prompt box. Type what you want to create, for example, create a simple dashboard for tracking tasks. Then hit the arrow send button. Lovable will automatically generate a new project for you based on that request. Clear, specific instructions usually produce the best results, so include the features or sections you care about. By the way, since this is a website, I've placed a link to lovable.dev at the very top of the description so you can jump right in. If you prefer a head start, you can use templates. Click Templates on the left sidebar or select one from the bottom of the home screen. Pick a template like Dashboard, App, or Landing Page. When it loads, it becomes your new project, ready to customize. From here, use the prompt box to make changes. You can say things like, add a sidebar, change the layout, or add a table for data. Lovable will update your project to match your instructions. Keep iterating in small steps, review the results, and build up your project piece by piece. To manage everything you've created, open projects from the left sidebar. Recent shows what you opened last, all projects lists everything you've made, and Start lets you keep your favorites pinned for quick access. You also have powerful options while editing. Click Attach to upload files or references that Lovable can use while building. Click Theme to change the visual style so your project looks consistent. And use Plan to outline the structure of your project before you ask Lovable to build more. If you want to improve even faster, open Discover or Learn from the left sidebar. You'll find guides and examples that can inspire better prompts and outcomes. That's it. You now know how to open Lovable AI, start or template a project, customize it, organize your work, and use advanced options to guide your build. Thanks for watching.